Philadelphia is a Jordanian pharmaceutical public shareholding company, listed on Amman Stock Exchange market. Philadelphia was approved by the Ministry of Health in Jordan and took part in the pharmaceutical industry in 1997. We are specialized in development, manufacturing, and marketing of human pharmaceutical and non-pharmaceutical products of different therapeutic categories in dermatology and gynecology. Since its inception, Philadelphia focused on covering the Jordan market need with a high-quality products yet affordable prices. The company started to penetrate the potential export market in the Middle East and North Africa region. Philadelphia is in constant progress and development on a path driven by a group of qualified technical people experienced in pharmaceutical industry, nurtured and parented with our chairman vision, Mr. Munder Hussein, who has been in the industry for over 25 years of experience, in addition to a wide knowledge of all the assets to have a successful pharmaceutical company powered by his belief and deep sense in social responsibility to create a better health environment to the upcoming generation. In Philadelphia, from dispensing the raw materials from the warehouses and all through the process such as mixing fillings and finally packaging. Our manufacturing operations and related services comply with good manufacturing practices, GMP, GLP, and directed into the minimization of any potential risks. Quality is integrated into all of the industrial and technical practices. Philadelphia is committed to act and comply with JFDA, SFDA, and GCC and any regulatory requirements and to maintain the total quality management system. Our performance is monitored and regularly reviewed to ensure meeting the quality expected for our customers, patients, and stockholders. Philadelphia Pharmaceuticals is committed to the delivery of safe and effective products to patients, consumers, and customers through the implementation of the comprehensive total quality management system. Therefore, as part of our commitment to continual improvement, we measure, assess, and report quality issues if any, and seek ways to continually improve the quality performance and results. Expanding is what we aim for out of our truthful and trust in our message. This belief steers us to develop and grow. Therefore, we pinpoint Philadelphia in 15 countries in the Middle East and North Africa region. Our products are registered in the following countries: Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Sudan, Libya, Mauritania, Oman, Algeria, Yemen, Kuwait, Qatar, Lebanon, UAE, Bahrain, and Azerbaijan. Philadelphia has one have been placed to maintain the supplying production areas with controlled environmental conditions, which achieve Class D as per GMP, EU classification and controlled temperature. Philadelphia Pharmaceutical is one of a few companies in the Middle East and North Africa that has a dedicated area for manufacturing hormones. Started with production of one hormonal product with an eye for expansion in the future. The technical team is composed of more than 30 well-qualified and trained employees to perform the following responsibilities. 1. Follow up and solve technical issues related to new and existing products. 2. To ensure that all products from development till marketing meet the aimed quality. 3. To meet the updated regulations of GMP regulatory body requirements. Technical departments handles its functions through 1. Quality Control Department involves chemical, physical, instrumental and microbiological labs and work to control the quality of raw materials, packaging materials, bulk and finished products. 2. Quality Assurance Department involves assuring implementation of GMP and GLP, documentation control, training, handling of CAPA, and complaints. 3. Compliance Department ensures compliance to GMP, GLP in all activities performed with direct reporting to the technical manager and the general manager. 4. R&D consists of formulation lab, analytical lab, stability rooms, and pilot scale area. The R&D succeeded to have 6 products registered and launched into the market by the end of 2016. R&D handles its functions through literature survey, pre-formulation studies, formulation, method developments, validation, preparation of pilot scale batches, stability follow-up, setting technical specification and preparation of Module 3 of CTD file for registration. The warehouses is composed of 1. Raw materials store. 2. Packaging materials store. 3. Finished product stores. This is Philadelphia for better health and well-being.